Yeah, do more than just watch Zion for real. I will say you watching Zion for real TV. It was fancy comedy and Ghana Jollof and Afufuru and no maybe on my and Cheyi and I condemn that I don't support insults so but did penny for at I don't support it. And now one thing I said you shouldn't be happy say will be a that be and the Srokunkun answer yes sir. But one thing I say NDC should know better say a dear some croffu we na a yellow. A young croffu be a more sponsor or more a share or more bomb work a tree or mocha say or money di and penny for be attempt. Omundi di ye leaders na atem ebla na mo opposition omo na ye e na ye fe en na sa youth we so eye bi yes most sponsor Kevin Taylor Captain Smart ene amanfo bebre to mention but a few Emma ombe to see ombe so see na na dan kwa na vice president so ene Ghana penifo bebiri enti wo matema mane ya kono eye fe abra mo mind man kan kire mo se ade a mo ye ne entwayi enkoyi through that no Kevin Taylor mo sponsor no wodi penifo atama na do dan kwa ekufu ado satan na do dan kwa ekufu ado na wante plastic chairs wo na wati ekunya na his excellency John Dramani Mahama wote so no eno na do dan kwa ekufu ado ete so no wante plastic chairs so no wante stool chairs so na wo kunya na wote so na no ano so te so flat staff house wo hwa no so tie udi atema di Ghana yempenifu nyina atem ya religious leaders nyina udi wo nyina atem anisi ya himfo enyina udi bibia atem but ye who say NDC as a political party no ye who say NDC leader bia no aka kire Kevin Taylor say masa de wo Kevin Taylor edi atema bedi chief imam atem chief imam etwe menti se obi kura kaseti anada chief imam enyenyimu we father of all a Christopher a yard or support a woman and cremofo a yard or support a woman unjina emma in cremofo chief imam ayan who leader or lead Ghana yina ubia or do bia we Christo ni now calling Tia or do a wawa too we cremoni now calling China or do a wawa too even we traditional believer now calling China or do a wawa too a dear na papa ye a Kevin Taylor so seen so dinner tem and also ya anticiple bia tinte so man this NDC ni bia tinte so baby a walk on walk deep into die odi ya himfu nyina tem achema hene enne hwanhwane nyina emfantefo ene omo hene odi omo nyina tem esoro ho say ohini bia ni kwa wendi na tem anwonafo di o mat ehene atem emma ne beduru opemfo so ate kokko so e beduru no so ngono so di na tem kama otuvo yi obia Ghana ha MPP ene NDC obia edu election omunna obia kwa na nchen kwa je ne nsam nhira obia kwa ho no kwa je advice enso apapa akwai Kevin Taylor edi na tem obia antinde so ndi se ni bie ni wotin de so kasa wo Kevin Taylor otumfuo his excellency John Dramani Mahama wose your godfather okona nchen able nyina kwaje advice kwaje ne nsem nhira na wakwara edina tem na went man to hunde so went man ko anko pachew ama no na se enya wa indirectly enya wa na wudi na tem se ubu obi na do obi na respecting enough na se obi edi na ta na so woni se nipa no ekọ na klana na se nipa nya na wudi na tem oba ha do ye yi ni nti no na osuru se na na lote so no beba oba ha tuta ni na o sponsor no e man baby tonight e man security personnel ye ne ye esi ketwe o mo ka no o mo na ma no bo no ban wana ma convoy edinachi watching president so no aye manager akono si ya e de na chese obi ntu peso wagidian ono so nye bi na efidie ya trash ye ba mo side dia ene monti bi da obi obeka se etim bia na mache no threaten no enye na start endi fo bebiri a threaten na ando ne mpanifo ne manfo bebiri mante ho ntesu se mo se meboa yenten ne hwe video bia amanfo bi ya mo threaten na ando ene mpanifo bia ene manka ene ne yasisi amanfo a threaten amanfo bi ba mankasa omo call in favor of NDC intin and ye but omo call in favor of MPP ne die Rambo style amakwa kwachu etu be 20,000 numda kwa kwachi nipa na meanwhile and robbers ene medress Nigeria for mugu o mem eku Ghana for nyina mote ba mumfa security enko omo so mumfa soldier for mumfa national security enko omo so but obi obekasa kakra bi ne de amakwa akwa yede ne panchi yenhwe video a amanfo threatening MPP for amayedi amare
maka asem way it will be like a prophecy me okumangra makasa me say baby aje bi dan kwa wiye no e hana na nado bewu me na me ka tlemo
enti am ka cho say ye kan aboneyefo a ye nka bonsam nka
se bonsam de ono na
wono bone am ye nyina no bonsam na ma ye oye dey oye enti akofo ado ne de woye bonsam by yourself yes
what to ton won yes wa
ya me de to won no
alaji we no de me sre wa
me che say ade me na meka
okay
de akofo ado oye ni kurom ha no ke se eburu na buoku no
Vice President Baumianere accident na wanya no me de me do me de papa na for my expecting say I don't want to play any sympathy game me de cause in normal na so Ghana ye ka wuntie no debi ana ubehu unum pito unum sefufu dia waye free na ori me ko dia uwini beso nsuo say onsu
who said we are not going to take care of Ekufuado last but na catch them be say Ekufuado bi ambodi tu obi ankuno or no be within 6 months or no the body be kuno.
we can't afford to lose more there was some man where you say I was see you sure Ekufuado ne bawomia the exit way na ye the president Ekufuado ko dina court ye dina sam
na Ekufuado obe yare obewu obi ambodi tu boni Ekufuado e di no ebe kumo
Ekufuado de obebo man no
ase obaye se na amanfo kan yi na ehu bi VSHS no ne ma bi a odi abeba
wo kan yi na wo boa
I just like go senior high schools no one crown go school free
wo mo ko school free wo free bebrebe e di aho kire na eba
okay
me se Ghana for the first time we be human pania ye de ne kodira kota kodina sem ene Ekufuado will go to jail. Ekufuado will die in prison. I am telling you.
He murdered his own brother, Achia Mensah, the chief of Abidjan, so that they can blacken the stool of Ufriata, his half brother. This nonsense will not be tolerated. Are they the only Ghanaians? Why should we allow one small family to dictate to us? It will never happen. Let me tell them something. In June 4th, people were crying, let the blood flow. It was only military people whose blood flowed. Correct? Today, as I hear let the blood flow, it is the blood of the Achin mafias that will flow. There are two ways that I see. If we allow Ekufuado and his stupid Mensah, that stupid girl, that idiot of a girl. Look, I'm telling Mensah today, me, my grandmother, she has what every woman has. My mother, she has the same thing. All my sisters have the same thing. And everybody is born of a woman. If Mensah thinks she was not born of a woman, but came from some other angle. She should go ahead and do the new register. Let me watch her. She will die 12 midday. She will die just like that. Nonsense. Idiot. You are a foolish girl, Jimensa. You are an idiot. I have no sway. I'm telling you today. Try it and you see. What kind of nonsense is that? You think you are better than us Ghanaians? You are better than the Christian Council who have advised you? Better than the House of Chiefs? Nonsense. Stupid Akufo-Addo girl. What about damn papa? She mean a yo. Common sense kwa muni bi. Cause you're for. When it's Ghana, you're to mama. Moi. Jim for. Look, let me tell you something.
I don't konya plane crash no movie. Erade nano Africa ya plane mi kwahwa no so since the 150 cent and movie. Erade moja edi bimbebre e hwere omo nkwa enam plane crash. Erade boy na sa play we to a emofom. Erade crash sa ni palo besa crash sa play we crash or kohan crash sa play we. Ghana will lose nothing. Erade so claim this innocent weak.
Yahweh video number. So mohwe sa video we ya ensem omo kan wo mu no. Enye message of blessing. Enye nkwatenten en omo sra mana nandu ne nkrofo. A threatening videos and no way. So because say nimpai boni bibia na say cream bia na nando ebefo na to better bia de to kwan bia and crash in wo a ene ye dia the ono ka say boss e for hanen senior you less than 1 week and o can say it's a plane clash you know MPP for be answer or suspect wo until within a short time no enipa MPP mpinifo mako 7 ebiwu eno no threatening message bay threatening video bay and a change the fantasy comedy eye no eno de okan in favor of NPP okan in favor of NDC into ono de konkono e bible masem no okan ye no enti ya anya na hwe that okan in favor of NDC MPP ne de ene waka bonsam asem it one day or say yakoyede ne party edi tu ekono so yakoche no ebusunya His Excellency John Dramani Mahama right now obey president no onye NDC president we Ghana a president we are the president of Ghana internationally they say address as the president of Ghana, not the president of NDC. But we are in Nayaja. Say the Pane CPP ni so ye MPP ni so ye NDC ni so ye D ni nyina obanon or this year no. So protect nyina because o ba be sum yen o me sum NDC for. Papa no mebu ho no man no nurse for no hwe ni to be threatening MPP ni or threatening Ghana ni or some land ni di. To be threatening NDC ni or threatening Ghana ni or some land ni di. They are then acquire one-sided. And one thing I say, one thing was you want to say, send you Budia and can increase to sans no or comfort and can sell a million dinka so 4 years is just at a corner right now. You try 8 months, might try 8 months old, more or less than 4 years. 3 years, 4 months, and I can. Send ye JJ bet now so one at 1K kunyano so solely yen. Send ye kufo bet ne kunyano so and at 1K kunyano so solely yen. Send ye at almost a bet now so Yankopon fan a cleanse ye when 20 years a year or call ya John Dramani Mahama or bet was what was so call ye. I could for buy 8 years 1K kunyanos 1 fair kunyanan kusini fee no jaw mouse or babatanson sounds not become mobiaba. Nti NDC for mudi more year to trust more year no me be near sound Charlie. A bedroom may be most positions at the MPP position ya. Yes, one pass at the air course when I say MPP so bad. Don't say the same thing at Ghana as soon ba. Enti no obia da sama enfant comedy ne hwan no makai and I don't support enye but obi na aye na ma anye na hwe na mo so no so ma ne ye fe ya akono na mo so ye o mo de no so wo ye bi it is some crofo no. Crime has no expiry date. Crime doesn't expire. Edi 100 days kura 100 years kura na yitimi efra asem ne kama ne yeyi. For mo no din kan yes have videos no mo din kan threaten ye no mo kwa chi wo mo nyina na nye equal judgment. Mo kwa chi wo mo nyina ne hu say why fair enough. Because ba ko fo be ye de na atemu damla o. Seriously. Esa na entwe Ghana yenye masa atem the die no youth the dimpenifo atem the start threatening videos and threatening messages and na eto ntwa wo be kan say bia na achew say ye MPP news say ye ndis ni wo be kasa wan kasa ye bia na mlan no wedi ba mo yi mu sa na dia yes and so MPP so power on to be protect o mo nkrofo o so no wa wo ye MPP ni na MPP ba na threatening obi a enko ba bia. But NDC ne threatening MPP dia na ya che no sa na ebeye obi ya ba power be bono nkrofo ho ban ite busunya NDC John man slam eni di mu bu o man no mo fa yi ento yi na asundwe emra ebusunya ye de besia we de eni di mu se ne ye ne da muslim mo hwe na mo subscribe na mo share and comment and like na intimi enkoyenu ye damasi
Zion for Ray TV. Do more than just watch.